I have always envisioned myself living in a beautiful space, and a few months ago, I moved into this beautiful apartment. Before moving in, I decluttered and got rid of a lot of things, but I also brought quite a bit with me to this new place. Slowly, I have been decluttering my space even more and simplifying my life with a more organized space and small daily habits to live a much fulfilling and happier life. In this video, I decided to declutter and organize my small kitchen pantry. I wanted to bring you along on this part of the journey. I hope this video inspires you to tackle any space you may have been meaning to declutter or just organize. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Patricia. If this is your first time on my channel, if this is not your first time, welcome back. And please don't mind that. We are still getting this place in order. So I moved into this apartment about 2.5 months now, and I have a lot of things to do. One of them is a pantry. So I want to get to the pantry. I want to film the pantry with you guys today. I'm feeling very intimidated when it comes to the pantry organization. I see what people are doing on social media and it's making me feel like I can't do it. I'm gonna do it with what I have for now, and I'm sure there's somebody out there who this may help. I'm just sharing my journey. I don't even know if it's gonna help anybody. I'm just sharing my journey of making my house a home. Also, I am about to turn 40, okay? So we are entering a different era, a different season, and so I want to do things different. We're changing things up. Anyway, let me go and show you guys my pantry. Alrighty, so it's actually bad. There is no system to it. I told you guys I have some product. The top here drives me crazy. This is the bacon. I don't know the name, but it's what you use for turkey. And it won't fit into my cabinet. I don't know where to place it, so that's where it is. But I need to take it out of here because it's just taking up space and we don't want that. Also, I have flour there. I need to put it in a flour container, but then I don't have a container for that. So I have wheat flour in here. These ones are empty, but they are small and they're not going to fit all that flour. And I don't want to have a little bit of flour in this container and a little bit of flour there. Like, it doesn't make sense. And then I have this Lazy Susan here. I have some baking stuff here. When I moved, my dear friend, she came to help me. She had mercy on me. She was like, you know what, let me help you. Let me help you put things away. So she came and helped me put things away into the pantry. And so she put these here and it's been here. So now I need to take these things out. I also have this baking glassware here. And I tend to buy these things because I just think they're so cute. And then I hardly use them. And I bought this glass pitcher from Aldi. I love Aldi. They take all my money. And I've used the ones. I had the picture of hosting people and I did use it, but it was just that one time. This is where I keep my onions. Like I said earlier, I am feeling intimidated about this project, but I need to start from somewhere. I believe that as I am in the process, I am going to make progress. It's always like that. So now I'm going to take everything out of the pantry, see what we have, declutter, and then we'll move on. I forgot I have this baby food. It's not expired. I got it when I moved in here, but I've forgotten about it. I love peanuts and I love chocolate. So peanut clusters, I prefer dark chocolate though. This is milk chocolate and it's too sugary. Too sugary. I love chocolate, but I don't like it too sweet. I don't like too sweet stuff. So this, I'm not eating it as much because I feel really bad when I'm eating it. Okay, so this is why organization is so important. This week, I wanted to make lentil soup. And when I looked in the pantry, I realized the lentil I had was not a lot. It was half of this. This is what I saw. So this is what I thought I had. But I knew that I had more than this. But I looked and I couldn't find the other one that I thought I had. When I took that big bacon turkey wrap thing, I knew I put it there. I looked, I didn't take it out. I just put my hand in there to try to find it, but I couldn't find it. Now when I took it down, here it is. So this is why organization is so important because it just helps you see what you have so you don't just waste money buying stuff that you already have. Another example of why organization is so important, I just found these in the pantry. I did not know I had these. I've forgotten about them. I already set a place in the cabinet for tomatoes. If those were finished, I probably wouldn't cook if I needed to cook because I'll think I don't have tomatoes and I'll leave the house to go buy them. You will have some in the pantry. I have gone ahead to remove everything, and here we are. Most of them are here. I have some on the floor. Yeah, that's a lot. So I've gone ahead to clear the pantry, so everything is gone, and now we have to put things back. I've watched some videos of how to do this, and they put the products first. I'm going to figure out what goes where. In my previous place, I did it so well. And it was the same space, so I don't know why I'm struggling with this one. I'm overthinking. But I guess I'm going to make this part for baking. Alright, so I've decided to use this part as my baking section. I was watching this lady, she called it zoning, so that's something I learned. So what I'm trying to do is zoning. In my mind, I'm grouping like items together. So I have my wheat flour here. This flour, I don't have a container, but I do have this that I used to put rice in. So I think I'm going to wash this and put that flour in. Sometimes I worry that it'll be too heavy for the shelves, but hey, the two of them are doing well here. So I guess it'll work. So yeah, I'm going to transfer this into that. I think I'm going to use this part for cereal and grains because I'm going to have to do that because I don't have a lot of cereal. I eat a lot of oats. I recently bought this, but it's really bad. I don't like it, so I think I'm going to throw it away. Yep, throw it away. I have more oats in here, so I'm going to pour it out. So I guess I'll probably need a bigger container for my oats because it never fits in there. Forgetting to do a step, which is group like items on the floor or outside, so I know what exactly I have because I'm getting overwhelmed right now. I feel like my problem is I have these containers and I don't know what to use them for. I don't know what to put in them. Can somebody tell me why I have coconut flour and it's been expired since 2019? And I'm not even gonna lie, I used it earlier this year. This is an example of looking at recipes and being motivated to make the recipe. You buy the ingredients and you never use it. 2 years later. I don't even know what the expiry date is. It's in Chinese. I bought it from the Asian store. This is sorghum. I bought because I wanted to make porridge for my baby. He's not even gonna eat it. This is tapioca flour. I used it recently. I was trying to make custard. All these small items, like, where do I put them? I feel like this is not something I use often for me to dedicate a whole container to. The containers are not cheap, only not to use them. But I do have this one. Maybe I can use this one. I do have this one, so maybe I can put it in here. Okay, so I'm just going to put things together. I'm not going to try to figure out what I'm going to use them for because that is stressing me out right now. This doesn't have a label, but I think it is fufu flour. This is also fufu flour, but they are different types. One is plantain, one is cocoyam. I think this is a cocoyam. I can tell by the color, and this is the plantain. Those are types of flour, so it's not bacon. So do I just put them in one area or what? These aniseeds I bought from the Indian store a long time ago. I'm going to throw it away, and I can put the tapioca flour in here. Yes, yeah. I hardly use the honey seeds. I like the smell, but I hardly use it, so it doesn't make sense. Alright, so I've grouped together like items. So these are snacks. These are condiments. Is peanut butter a condiment? I don't even know. Somebody tell me. This is an African spice food. It's called dawa dawa. Locust beans. West Africans generally use it. And then I put grains in here. So bambara beans. It's like chickpeas. It's not chickpeas. It's similar. So I decided to put the snacks down here. And I'm going to put my cereal and grains. Cereal and grains are going to be here. And then flour is going to be here. And then here is going to have things that are not regularly used. So I've gone ahead to wash most of these containers. Like I said earlier on, I'm going to use this side for cereal and grains maybe, and I'm going to keep snacks here. I'm definitely not sure of this setup. I'm going to start putting stuff in there. I believe it will come to me. So let's keep going. We'll make some headway. So one of my worries is my son. He's a toddler and he loves to come into the pantry. He can reach this side. So I'm thinking if I put snacks there, they are safe and he's able to see it and tell me he wants it. At the same time, I don't want a situation where he will take this out of it. But I think that's the best I can put there. So even if he reaches for something, it's not something that I'm going to worry about. It's not being safe for him to have in his hands at the time that he is doing that. Yeah, decision fatigue is real. All right, this is the end result. First of all, I am surprised at the fact that I've been able to do this because I almost talked myself out of it. But I have been able to work with what I have without having to go out to buy anything, and that was the goal. Now I know where things are, I know what I have, and I know what I would need to get. For example, I would like to get containers for these grains, the quinoa, all of that. Now this one is not aesthetically pleasing. These are empty peanut butter jars. I wasn't able to peel the labels off properly, so they're not aesthetically pleasing, but they do the job. For now, I'm gonna keep them. I'm not gonna pour them into something just to make it look nice. No, I'm just gonna keep it this way. I do like the snack area. I really didn't know where to put this. I could put it here, right? But I'm just thinking about my son. He loves to come here. So having glass here, that worries me. So for now, I'm just keeping it there for now. It doesn't make sense anywhere else. So here, you can see the back stock items. I have my spices in the cabinet near the stove because I wouldn't want to be walking all the way here. It's not far, but I wouldn't want to be walking all the way here when I'm cooking. I would like to get more bins. I wish I got more of those bins, like 2 more of those bins for putting these things in there. But for now, at least I know what I have and what products I would like to get. I am so excited that I've been able to do this. Look at the trash that came out of here. Yep, so recycle some of these items. I used to do HelloFresh, so I kept the recipes, but I don't even make them. And then these, I'm gonna find somewhere to put them for now. It's been such a long day of organizing, taking things out, thinking, brainstorming, overthinking. Yeah, overthinking. But I've been able to come up with something that I love and works for me. With time, I'm going to modify it as I live here, and as I buy stuff, I'm going to listen to what my space is telling me it needs, and I'm going to modify it. All right, so thank you so much for watching. I am on a journey to make my space beautiful, and I hope it inspires somebody to do the same. I've always known this, but it recently hit me really well that nobody's coming to save me. I am my own savior, me, myself, and God. God first, and I'm going to do the things that makes me happy. So if you're in a situation where you feel like you need somebody to help you out, or you need somebody to come and save you, I'm here to let you know that you are enough. You are enough, and you can do absolutely anything that you put your mind to. And I'm saying this to myself, you can do absolutely anything you put your mind to. It just takes some time, it will take some work, and we are all a work in progress. I am a huge work in progress, if I tell you. Hey, I just want to sign off here, and I just wanted to say that. Talk to you later. Bye.